Welcome back to the channel. Now I'm trying to take off the brake was hanging on this car. I got some parts, so trying to see if I can fix that. On this 2000 model Celica, the left hand back brake is hanging, so I'm trying to lift it up here and put it on a jack stand and see if I can take off the wheel and take in the brake and see if I can fix it. And the problem last time was this bolt. There. Let's see. I have a new set of parts like this. And here it was only, this thing was on one side. And the things up here are supposed to slide out. But on this one, it's not going to slide out. At least not without any proper force, it looks like. It's locked up. But then I remembered that I had, sorry, see if I can put it back here again. But before I get to that problem, I have to get this shit out. Luckily I have new ones from different delivering people. This is the one from Screwout. But first I'm going to take off and get to move the Stempelet, it's called in Norwegian, cylinder in here. I see those here should have been changed too. But this is short. This isn't moving at all. Seriously? Is this the right one? No, it's not. Okay, wrong part. This is really bad. Everything here in this brake is shut. I need a new caliper. There's no point. See here, I get it off, but it's seriously not usable. Very difficult when you only get wrong parts. The things that is up here, of course, need to be okay. Before I managed to fix this here one good enough to start to cost so much money, that's actually not worth it. No problem now, I already bought the parts. So I can show you guys how to put it together. Now I cleaned up in the cylinder there. Try to clean up the stamp here. Using very fine sandpaper. Now I have get off the see, move freely. Now I have to clean it out in here where the rubber seal is gone. This rubber is inside this cylinder to stop dirt from coming in. There, it's inside there, a brake cleaner. Normally now, this should go on okay. There, let's just screw it back together. There. brake pads are going in there. And now I'm putting in 2 new sliders since I have it already. They're going in, supposed to go in very easy and out very easy. Like the one was in here was rusty. That was useless. Not sure why. Because this one was one of very few things here was okay. There. There. This bolt is supposed to stop those from sliding out. There. Then I have the other parts that actually was missing. No, I'm not 100% sure about this. There, that one is put together.